Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how loud the Yeedi C12 Combo is in regards to self-emptying. So if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. We have two self-empty options with this vacuum, the robot vac and the cordless option. So during this process, when we initiate a self-empty, you'll see it run twice. That will be for the cordless vacuum and for the robot vac. So let's go ahead now and see how loud it is. So there you go, we peaked at 81.5 decibels.